discussion.
Hi everyone, welcome to my new series, Fruitful Discussion. Today, we'll be analyzing the differences between a navel orange and a mandarin. So firstly, what are oranges? Oranges are a member of the citrus family and are characterized by their distinctive color and rich vitamin C and antioxidant content. I have here before me two species of oranges in the family Rutaceae, but there are actually hundreds of other types of oranges in the world. Today, we're first going to be discussing the navel orange.
Navel orange.
Navel oranges are seedless and easy to peel. They're filled with a high vitamin C content, low acid content, and a tasty sweetness. You'll know it by the small growth found at the bottom, which resembles a human navel.
Mandarin.
A mandarin, on the other hand, is smaller. It has a looser skin, a sweeter taste, and less acidity. You will now view a dissection of both oranges and study the anatomy inside.
Dissection with Professor Jessie.
Hi everyone, I am Professor Jessie. A little bit about me. I received my PhD in fruit, and today I am going to be showing you the dissection of a mandarin orange and a navel orange. We're going to start with this navel orange. I like to start my incision at the bottom where the navel is and cut straight through. I'm going to make another cut across. You can see that navel oranges have a harder, thicker rind and thus are more difficult to peel. Okay, so here is our dissected navel orange. You can see we have the left and right hemispheres. We have the growth found at the navel portion of the orange. We have a piece of the peel, and we have the pith found at the center. Broadly speaking, there are two parts of the orange. We have the exocarp, which we more commonly refer to as the rind or the peel. And then we have the endocarp, which you might know better as the flesh inside of the orange. Discussing the exocarp first, we have here the albedo, which is more commonly known as the pith of the orange, and that is also what's found at the center. And we also have the flavado. And you can see on the outside of the peel are all the oil glands. Moving on to the endocarp, you can see it can be broken into what we call segments, and each segment is separated from other segments via a segment wall. Inside you'll find juice vesicles, and we also refer to this as the central column. Hi, it's Professor Jessie again. Next we're going to be dissecting a mandarin. I'm going to be using the same tool as before. As you'll see, I was able to get the entire peel off in one go. All right, so now we're going to take a look at the fully dissected oranges and compare them. So as you can see, the basic anatomy is pretty much the same, but there are several key differences to take note of here. As you can see, the mandarin is much darker in color and is obviously smaller than this. But more importantly, a key difference is in the rind. You can see how much thinner the mandarin rind is versus the navel orange rind. And also, we know that it's looser because of how much less pith is left on the endocarp. If you were to taste a segment of this, you would notice it's sweeter, a bit juicier in my opinion. There is a higher juice per unit flesh content in the mandarin. I would rate the mandarin orange a 8 out of 10, and I would rate the navel orange a measly 2 out of 10.